Yeah, real simple. Take out a tooth and sharpen it. A little beefy tool here. Yeah. Get out sometimes. Turn this a little bit. Stick that little pin in there. And I just go like this. Comes out. This whole thing.
That's your tooth there, huh?
That's the tooth. Fits in that little groove. The little groove fits in there.
Oh, I see. So this sharpener's for it.
Yeah. Still a little rip there. I usually don't do it very much. One out of teeth. That's it. Sawtooth charge. Replace. Carry on. Pretty simple.
I'm gonna throw that sawtooth back in now.
It sits like that. Put this in. So. This thing turns, but I don't wreck it.
I'm gonna throw the wrench on.
That's it.
That's it. Just pressure fit into place, turn into place.
Yeah. That's right in.
Nice setup. I like that.
Move into the next tooth. You don't have to change band saws or anything. Then you saw and shop the saw before that cooked.
And same for
Same for these, yeah. This just